Are you struggling to install rJava on your Mac running Sierra? You're not alone. Many users face this exact issue, and today, we're going to unravel the mystery behind the unsupported option error. I totally get it. It can be incredibly frustrating when you follow guides and tips only to hit a wall with installation errors. You're not the only one feeling this way, and it's a common hurdle for many developers. Let's dive into the specifics of your situation. You mentioned trying to install rJava on macOS Sierra version 10.12.15, but you keep encountering the unsupported option error. This is a real head-scratcher, but don't worry, we'll tackle it together. So what exactly is happening here? The error message you're seeing, unsupported option-fopenmp, indicates that the compiler you're using doesn't support OpenMP, which is needed for parallel processing in rJava. This can happen due to compatibility issues with your version of R or the Java compiler. Stay with me. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear path to resolving this issue and getting rJava up and running smoothly on your system. To begin resolving the issue with rJava, the user should first ensure that they have the correct version of Java installed. Since the user is on macOS Sierra version 10.12.15, they need to confirm that Java version 1.8 is properly set up. Next, the user should configure R to use the correct Java settings. This can be done by running a command in the terminal to set up the Java configuration for R. After configuring Java, the user should attempt to install rJava again. This time, they can use the command to install the package from CRAN, ensuring they specify the source type. If the installation still fails with the unsupported option error, the user may need to modify the makevars file to remove the -fopenmp flag. This file is located in the R home directory. Finally, if the user continues to experience issues, they might consider using a different version of rJava or checking for updates to R and RStudio that could resolve compatibility problems. Fun fact, did you know that the first version of Java was released in 1995? It has come a long way since then, but installation issues like this can still trip us up. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution comes from a user who faced the same fopenmp issue on macOS Sierra. They found that the problem arises because the fopenmp option is not supported in macOS GCC. Their solution involves compiling a new version of GCC. Let's move forward and look at another answer. An alternative solution for installing rJava on macOS Sierra involves a few key steps. First, download the rJava package directly using wget, extract it, and then install it using rmem install. This method helps retain the config log for debugging. Next, if you've updated Java, run sudo rcommand java reconf to reconfigure Java settings. If you encounter JNI data type errors, create symbolic links to the libjvm.dylib file. For the unsupported option error, install GCC version 7 or higher and set up your makevars file accordingly. Finally, after setting everything up, install rJava again using rmem install and test the library to ensure it works correctly. Let's take a look at another answer from another user. One alternative solution comes from another user who suggests checking out a detailed guide on handling rJava on macOS. They emphasize the importance of installing the JDK provided by Oracle before proceeding with the installation. Here's a pro tip. If you continue to face issues, consider updating your R and Java versions. Compatibility is key, and sometimes a simple update can resolve these frustrating errors. And there you have it. With these steps, you should be able to install rJava successfully. Remember, troubleshooting can be a journey, but with persistence, you'll get there. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks.